Much of our knowledge of chemistry is based on the careful quantitative analysis of substances involved in chemical reactions. Composition stoichiometry.
Professor Penguin.
Hello. If you want to play games, we can always play Clue. I like that game. It's fun. You get to figure out what happened.
Yeah, so now we have to figure out who killed Miss Sparrow.
Yes.
You, along... Was Miss Sparrow a good student?
No. She really annoyed me. And I'm strange.
Why did she annoy you, of all people?
She's constantly breaking things. It's like, can't you just go 5 minutes without breaking something? I mean, she even breaks the silence. It's annoying.
How was her performance in your class?
Terrible.
So, Professor Penguin, have you ever worked with silver nitrate or zinc nitrate?
I am a chemistry teacher. It's in my job. Yes, I have. I was using silver nitrate. It's called silver in it. Of course, it's fun. I've got a PhD.
What was the molarity of the silver nitrate you were working with?
Well, let's see. I think it was 0.17 to 0.23. You know, I was doing some very fancy, schmancy experiments using all my science swag, you know, because I am awesome.
You can leave now.
Oh, okay. Door's that way, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah.
Why am I even here?
You're a suspect in Miss Sparrow's murder case.
Why? Miss Sparrow? I don't know any Miss Sparrow. She's just a stranger to me. She's the ex of my boyfriend. How does that happen?
Well, we heard that you were an asthmatic, looking at your health records.
Yes, hence my voice.
And you take medication for this, right?
Yes, zinc nitrate. I do have to take care of my beautiful self.
And what molarity is that?
Oh, that I would know. 0.07 to 0.13.
And did you know Miss Sparrow was allergic to zinc nitrate?
Yeah, but I mean, that doesn't even matter. I wasn't anywhere near her. It wouldn't matter to me. It's just kind of something in the back of my head.
Mm-hmm. And where were you the night of her death?
Again, it doesn't matter. I don't think it would affect her anyway.
Where were you the night of her death?
I'm telling you, it doesn't matter.
I'm telling you, you need to answer my question. Where were you? So, Mr. Rabbit, I hear you're a photographer?
Yeah, man, you know, you gotta do something for a living.
Mm-hmm. And, as a photographer, you work in a darkroom?
Yeah, I like to call it that way. It seems more mysterious.
And in the darkroom, do you use zinc or silver nitrate?
Well, yes, for, you know, to get the right effect. Yes, I do.
And which do you use?
It's 0.07 to 0.13
Molar?
Yes.
Of
that's implied.
zinc or silver nitrate?
Zinc nitrate.
Okay. And, rumor has it that you're trying to blackmail Miss Sparrow, and recently you were caught, so as I said, Sparrow-handed.
You think that's funny? Well, it's not. Yes, it's true. But honestly, I love Mrs. Sparrow. I would do anything. And
Even blackmail her.
she feels something. I want her to feel something.
Why am I here?
What do you have to do with Miss Sparrow?
I have no idea. She was just my lab partner. And in chemistry class?
Your class? Was she a good lab partner?
Well, since you ask, no, she was not, but I didn't have any problems. Okay, yes I did. But she would always come
Never
late.
mind.
I had to have a problem with her. It's only humane. She always came late. She always bailed on me when our labs were due. And she always left a huge mess and I had to clean up
Do
after
you have
her.
any zinc nitrate or any silver nitrate with you?
Well, yes, I do, but there's an explanation. I had to. My horse had bronchitis, and I had
The
to
bronchitis
treat
or pneumonia?
Do you know that zinc nitrate doesn't cure bronchitis? It gives you bronchitis. Calm down.
You had bronchitis,
You
yes.
had bronchitis,
Yes.
okay? And you were administering zinc nitrate?
Yes.
What was the molarity of the zinc nitrate?
If I remember correctly, it was 0.17 to 0.23.
Somewhere in between there?
Yes.
So, Colonel Mustang, do you know why you're here? Colonel
Hey, why
Mustang.
you hitting me? You bring me out of bed at this time. You make me get dressed up and shave. Maybe you
How do you feel about Miss Sparrow?
She a dirtbag.
Why is she dirtbag?
Okay. She brainwashed the little seeds in the student's mind that I'm a bad guy. I'm trying to help them. And she brainwashed them into thinking I'm bad. And she take my job. She take
takes
my
your-
money.
She took your job
No, I'm
at
talking about my job.
the
She took my money.
assistant
She took my money.
principal at her high school.
No, it's my high school. That's not her high school. If it's her high school, it's going to be called Dirtbag High School. You thought military people were going to be stupid, didn't you? You thought it was going to be easy. No! I'm not stupid. I didn't kill her. I don't know what happened. I don't know how. News got to me that she died. I had a party.
Mm-hmm.
We shot some deer. We skinned some deer. No, I make bombs too.
You make bombs.
I shoot bombs.
You know, some of your behavior is very suspect worthy. Around the time of Miss Sparrow's death, were you using zinc or silver nitrate?
Actually, I was. You know, I'll make some bombs.
What was the molarity of the
You know, I like to vary
zinc
it.
or silver nitrate you were using?
I like to vary it. You know, even if I didn't go to college and 0.27 to 0.33, let's spice it up for the deer. Like, so it expects something new. Not
And
like
were you using zinc nitrate or silver nitrate?
I'll use silver nitrate.
Maybe I'll help that fella over there find that door. I'll be back.
So right now, we are about to embark upon the moment of truth. We are going to determine the identity of our mystery solution. Now, as you guys know, if I put two solutions together and one of the products are solid, the reaction, a double replacement reaction, will occur. We know that silver chloride, according to our solubility rules, will be a solid if involved in a double replacement reaction. Therefore, if we put silver nitrate into sodium chloride solution, we know that a solid will form and the reaction will occur. On the other hand, if we put zinc nitrate into solution with salt water, then no reaction will occur. Therefore, by observing the occurrence of a reaction, we can determine whether our mystery solution is silver nitrate or zinc nitrate. Let us proceed. Now we have the identity of the solution. But guess what? It's time to find the molarity. So, to determine the molarity of our solution, we are going to make it undergo a double replacement reaction with sodium carbonate. We know that this reaction will occur because sodium carbonate has an anion of carbonate and the silver nitrate has a cation of silver. When those two combine, silver carbonate, we know due to our solubility rules, is a solid, and therefore a precipitate will form in the reaction mixture. Ding! After we that the reaction complete, we can then mass the precipitate and find the moles of it converting using molar mass. From there, if we use the molar ratio in the reaction, we can convert the moles of the precipitate into the moles of the reactant that we desire, or, of course, our mystery solution. Using the new amount of moles that we found in our solution, we can convert that into molarity using the volume of the solution, and then find the molarity and solve.